G'day. In this video, we're looking at logo creation on the fly using a little bit of prompt engineering and Leonardo.AI. And I'm going to show you the reason this happened. I just was looking at one of the videos going into edit at the moment, and I thought that looks atrocious. That is a horrible image. And I thought, what's going on? Now, there's a couple of issues going on. There's the issue that we've got color bleed going on, but it's all this green that's the issue. And this went through to my video editor, and I thought, what's going on? And then I realized what is going on is that I don't actually have a logo on the Winning Prompts website. So here we've got this YouTube channel that I started about 2 years ago, I guess, maybe a bit shorter than that. And I did a few videos. It was a test YouTube channel, and I'm reactivating it recently and hadn't gotten around to doing a logo. Now, I thought, since I'm in the middle of doing video editing, I don't have the time to quickly recreate a logo that's going to be perfect. So we're not going to do perfect. Instead, what we're going to do is we're going to write some prompts. Now, I'm just going to rerun this particular prompt right here. I'm just going to start a new ChatGPT window and we'll walk through it. I need to create a logo for Winning Prompts. And Winning Prompts is a channel where we talk about prompt engineering, educating people on one-shot prompts for creating applications, prompts for business workflows, and prompts for also creating for content repurposing. And what I need is a logo where some of the what are some of the design ideas you would suggest? So I did this by just talking into the microphone, and it came up with a bunch of ideas. Now, I don't tend to need to care about what it comes up with. I gave it enough initial context for it to think things through. Now, if I want to improve on the quality, I could start doing additional conversations around what makes a good logo. And why don't we just do that and say, what is important for doing a logo? What are the key considerations you want to think about? Now, a moment ago when I started doing this, I did not write this extra bit. It's not necessarily all that relevant, but we can run with it there. Now, I'm going to look at the next prompt that I started writing, and we'll just see what that said. And it basically said, why don't you give me 2 prompts? And this is really what I want it to do. I might just talk it in. Can you look through all the ideas that you've come up with for logos for the Winning Prompt channel? And then what I want you to do is I want you to create 2 different prompts for each idea. Now, in the first version of the prompt, I want you to say the words Winning Prompts. In the second version of the word, I want you to use WP. And for a color branding idea, let's go with some greens and blues. And also, let's do some extras that are some yellows and reds. So ultimately, I should get 4 different prompts per idea that you've been thinking through. 1 in one color set, 2 in one color set, 2 in the other color set, 1 with the word Winning Prompts, 1 with the word WP. Also, when you've done all of that, can you put it into a code block for each prompt so that I can click on the copy button to copy it? So as you can see, I'm not thinking this through, and this is one of the great things about just getting your prompt engineering ideas right. You can get to 80% quality really quickly, and hopefully by the end of this live stream, this will be the truth. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to copy the first one. And as I said, before I decided to start the live stream, I'd already started this and I'd created 1 image, and we got it here, and it's pretty good. But what I'm going to do is I'm just going to paste this in, and I'm just going to keep going backwards and forwards, clicking on the copy button here and starting new ones. And at the end of this, we're going to see whether we've got a good logo that can go onto the Winning Prompts channel and thus be sent through to the video editor to improve the Venn diagram that he was drawing in the video. So what were these first ones? We'll come back to them in a second. Let's just paste this in because we're in the second set, which happens to be abstract or AI inspired logos. Cool. Paste that in, generate, and we're going pretty quick in the process. We're up to 7 already, and we'll click on this one. Done 8. Is there another concept? 1, 2. There's at least another 8 that we can get through. But maybe we can also just have a quick gander at where we're at. So this was the one I did before. Then we got winning prompts. So these are okay. Now something like that might be nice for winning prompts. That looks really cool. They're not. The problem with full words like this is that that's not the sort of thing you do with a logo. These are pretty cool. Then we got winning prompts again. We got logos. Look, this is coming along pretty well. So I'm just gonna minimalist and professional. Let's see what that does for us. Start this one. I might just close this window. It's not adding value anymore. We'll click on here, run on there. And good. Now, if you've seen one of the videos recently, let me just bring it up so you know what I'm talking about. We'll go over to Appy Dave for a second, go over to videos, and there should be a video in here called Open AI Operator. Now, I don't currently have access to Operator because it's only available to people in the America, and it's only available if you've got the Pro version. But everything that we're doing right now could have actually been automated with OpenAI's new operator system. So just keep in mind that you might be thinking, why are you doing it so long? Why aren't you using Flux One and an API or something like that? And my thing is that I could actually be using Leonardo, which is, I love it. I think it's a great piece of software. And automate myself using the new OpenAI operator. So if you're interested in finding out more about that, check out this video right here. Okay, now we're looking through this and we've got, oh, look at that, winning prompts. This is so cool. And 2 more to go. Now, I'm not sure what my short list is going to be. I think these simple, elegant ones are pretty good. These are pretty interesting. That's not quite me, I feel. Anyway, should we create one? Maybe we should. Maybe we should upload it to the channel in question. Let's just go over to Studio. And where am I on? I'm on Appy Dave. Research at the moment. Let's just scroll down and figure out where winning prompts is, and we're at it. So not only are you going to learn how to create logos really quickly, we may actually figure out how to edit this. Why does that? How do we do this? Content, community, corporate, customization. Is it the customization? There it is. It's the upload. So let's come back over here and we'll just pick one. I reckon maybe I've got to go and look at the previous generations that we just did. Now, if you're watching this video and you've got an opinion about which logo you'd love to see, then please let me know. I reckon that's looking great. How do we? Yeah, they have this awkward thing when you go into this view. It can be harder to find stuff. So we'll click on that one, and I think I liked that one as well. That's pretty good. We'll click on that. And these are great. They're pretty good. I will download one of them. Now I'm only obviously going to upload one. It's the only thing I can really do. So we'll come on over here. Let's click on the update button and let's just, where am I in? Downloads. What? Downloads. Is that where they've gone? We got one here, got one here, and we got one here. We'll try that one. Let's see what it looks like. Winning prompts, done. Now when I look at it in small mode, which is just here, I feel that this is really clear. Let's just go to change. Let's try one of the others. So that's the one we just did. Let's see this. And we'll press done. That's okay. And we'll do one more. And we'll say done. Winning prompts. I don't know. I'm just going to say publish on that. I wonder if it's going to ask me for two-factor authentication. Who knows? Doesn't look like it is. That's good. Okay, so I think we can call that an end at 10 minutes. Why has this not updated? Do I need to actually go over to that channel to see the change? Yep, there's the change. This is cool. Okay, so last step. Let's just go here for a second. Happy Dave. Where do we need to be? We need to just be here. If you're trying to figure out how to do stuff with ChatGPT, large language models, I like just figuring out stuff on the fly, and I can work with you any way you need. So connect with me. I'm Happy Dave. Have a great day. That's my new logo for winning prompts.